Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best Seas Waterpark play tables that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Little Tykes Fountain Water Play Table. This water play table is a good choice if you want your kids to enjoy playing as a group, since it has been designed for that purpose. Apart from giving your kids fun, the table helps in the sensory development of your kids. It features some interchangeable pipes as well as fittings that are ideal for young minds. Also, the table features fun accessories such as a boat, a funnel as well as a water cup to enhance fun for the kids. It has been fitted with water pumps which allow it to throw water into its tower. If you want your kid to improve on different skills, this is the water play table to look for. Moving on at number 4, we have Step 2 Splash Water Play Table. This is among the best water play table which brings full excitement to your kids of either gender. This table's spacious and is capable of handling a proper water volume. The good thing about this table is its ease of use even for the beginners. The water table features a stylish design and comes with several accessories that add to your kids' fun. When it comes to cleaning of this table, it is very easy due to the fact that it features a drain plug. On top of that, this table is assembled with much ease. At number 3, we have Little Tykes Anchors Water Play Table. If your kid enjoys a pirate theme, it is obvious that they will like this water table. Its creative design is very attractive to kids since it resembles a real ship. For even a better experience, your kid can wear a creative hat to add on to the excitement. This table has been built well to hold a good water amount, and it features nice edges which prevent against excess splashes or spills. This product is very easy to use, although it is a bit expensive, but it is worth it. At number 2, we have Little Tykes Junior Water Table. This is another water play table which has been perfectly sized to suit the young kids. This playing tool, which has been made from durable plastic, can be used both outdoors and indoors. This table can be easily folded for storage or whenever you want to carry it with you. Also, the table features a stylish umbrella that protects your kid from UV rays, especially during summer. Most importantly, you will not require any tools when assembling the table or whenever you wish to disassemble it. The good thing is that the table can accommodate up to 4 kids. And finally, at number 1, Little Lagoon Sandy Table. If you want to give ultimate fun to your kid, this is the water table you should look for. This fun tool is going to keep your kid fully entertained throughout the long summer days. This is an all-inclusive table which can be used anywhere from the deserts to the oceans. The good thing about this water play table is that it allows for group play. On top of that, this water table features a top cover which protects your kid's table. Cleaning this toy is very easy due to the fact that it comes with a drain plug. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.